Hello दोस्तों, this is Abhishek here. So today I will guide you like how to register for certification examination of Salesforce. So first of all, to schedule any certification of Salesforce, we have to create or we should have a account of WebAssert. So WebAssert Salesforce, we can search it, and like the first website webassert.com. So click on it, and like if you register already, then you can directly log in your email id and password, then login. And if you have new in this site or in this partner program, so you can click on like create a new WebAssert login now. So like Criterion is a partner of Salesforce, so it here the Salesforce organize the certification examinations. So for give any certification exam, we have to register first here, then we can do or we can give any examination of Salesforce certification. So like I have no account, so I have to create firstly Criterion or WebAssert account. So to create account, I have to like enter firstly WebAssert login, means I have to enter my email id. So I have entered my email id, then I have to enter password. So password should be a special character, alphabet, uppercase and lowercase, and a number also. So I enter, then I have to enter legal first name. So my first name is Abhishek, then auto populated field I have populated, so Abhishek Berwa, and here is my mobile number. So mobile number is like optional, so you can enter your mobile number or not. Then email id you have must to enter. So I have entered my email id abhishekberwa2000@gmail.com. then I enter the address. So there is two address, line 1 and line 2. so one address is compulsory, okay, and second one is optional. So like you have to enter city name, then provision city. So provision city is my Rajasthan, it's here Rajasthan. Then you have to postal code, enter postal code. Then so here is a field also, email address associated with your Salesforce account. So here you have to enter the email id which is registered for Trailhead. Please do not enter here like your office email id, because office email id, if you change your office or switch your company, then the email id is like discard. So enter your official email id which you have entered in your Trailhead account, okay. Then company name also you have to enter here. Then your name as you do, like whatever the names you want to show on your certification, you can enter here. So I want to show my certification examination name is Abhishek Berwa. Are you a, here you have to select like what you are. So I am SFDC employee. Then verification OPT is like yes. Then your role focus primary which sector. So private sector I have entered. If you are interested in government, then you can enter government related, okay. Then you have to save it. Then account creation confirmation send on your email id, okay. Email id, and in email id you have like you have received username and password. So I open my email id. So here like welcome, here you can see like welcome to Salesforce certification, welcome your this. Now I am going to log in my Salesforce account. So like here I am going to log in. After entering my login credential, whatever the email id I have registered and the password which I entered while creation account, then there are some populated like information, you can read out these information. Then click on agree, like register for examination receipt, my assessment. So here is you can see your assessment, whatever the like certification examination scheduled your. So you can see here and for registration you can enter here register for examination. Okay, so there are multiple examinations provided by Salesforce, like associate examinations. So associate examination are here. So Salesforce associate examinations, retake policy also, like, so AI is free now, so you can see here. So in the next video I will register for AI certification examination and show you like how to give examination of AI associate. Okay, one more examination also free, like AI specialist, so you can give that examination also in free of cost. And I hope this video are informative for you, and if you have any doubt while creation certification examination account, then you can comment out in this video comment box. So we will meet again in the next video, and bye bye.